Hey, hello everyone. So today we'll see how to do the installation for the SAS. Let me share my screen. Okay. So I hope the screen is visible to everyone. So before we go into the source installation, what we have to do is we have to enable the .NET Framework 3.5. For that, you should go to Control Panel here, then Programs, and Programs and Features, and click here. Turn Windows feature on. Now make sure here that this option .NET Framework 3.5 includes .NET 2.0 3.0 is selected. If it is not selected, please select this and say OK. So this is the prerequisite before we move ahead with the SAS installation. Now go to a folder uh, where you keep a copy of your unzipped version of the SAS installation file. So this is the folder, unzip folder on my system, and in that system we can see many files, and the one that we have to trigger is this setup application file. Now to trigger the installation, double click on setup.exe file. So you will see a dialog box like this. Say OK. We will go with the English language. Then install SAS software. Okay, keep it as is. Then make sure that install SAS Foundation and related software is selected. Now from the product, we'll go with the selected required products. So for that, first click on clear all. So it will unselect all the product. Now one by one, we'll go with selected products. International component for Unicode, report font, test driver for CDBC, AODPC, Enterprise Guide, Foundation, ODS Graphics Designer, ODS, Graphics Editor, PC File Server, and universal viewer, SAS graph, ActiveX control, and standalone products. So make sure that you select only these products. Let's verify standalone, then SAS graph, ActiveX control, SAS universal viewer. PC file servers, ODS graphics editor, ODS graphics designer, Source foundation, SAS enterprise guide, drivers for GDPC, GDPC, the report fonts for clients, international component for Unicode. And that's the next. So 64 native weight, that is okay. And for enterprise guide also 64-bit native. Now from here we'll select only as per our requirement. First let's say clear all. Then this says is anyway selected. Go for SAS access interface to PC files, ETS, graphs, and stat. So this file 1, 2, 3. The stat, SAS graph, ETS, SAS access, synthesis. Click next. And now we have to select the SID file. So before we uh, go ahead with the SID file selection, we have to change the system date. So go here, right click. If it is not available here for you, then from the Windows, go and find the adjust date and time. Set this off, set time automatically. Go here, related settings. Uh, advanced setting. Yeah, date and time. And change date and time. Go for 14 or 15 September 2015. Make sure that here also you can see the date as 14 September 2015. 15 September will also work. So date has been changed. Now we can go back to installation wizard. Now click on the browse. Go back where here where you have your unzipped version of the folder, SAS installation folder. And from here, go to SID files, and there is a one set file. So select that file. Now we can see a set of set products are available. Say next. Now make sure that you clear all. So by default, English is now only selected. Otherwise, unnecessarily it will do the installation for other languages as well. So make sure that you select on English. Next, uh, select this configure as Unicode server, default product type, SAS Foundation, that is okay. Select the PC system service option. By default, it is selected. That is okay. 9621, the default port number. That is also fine. Now it will check your system whether the enough memory is available or not. So give it a time to check your system. So here we can see that it has done the file system examination. We can go ahead now. Yes. Now we are ready to trigger the installation. So we'll just start the installation now. Now the installation has started. So one by one it will complete all the installation process, and it will take a while. So let me pause the recording here till the time the installation get finished. Okay, I'll just pause the recording for now. Now let's see the status of the installation. Now we can see that for all the steps it shows completed successfully. So we can be rest assured that there was no problem during the installation process. Let's click on the next, and it is just showing the completion status. Now we can say finished. So now your SAS has been installed successfully. What we'll do is we'll set the date to the current date again. Next step that you're supposed to do, you will download firstly the supporting code document where we are, so you don't have to worry about anything. Here, go to the end of the page. Now click on the download, run as straight for X64. Get it here. Okay, something like this. So it is a zip file. Just unzip it and keep it somewhere where you accidentally don't do. So I kept the unzip version of the folder here. Now there are four files. Double click here on the application file, run as state. I mean, application to run if you did not change anything in the default setting. Then this is your path where SAS is installed. So overwrite this path. In application to run parameter. Then in the date you select 14 or 15 September 2015. Make sure that no checkbox is selected. So probably you'll have this selected. So just unselect that. And here give some name. maybe SS only, and then click on the create desktop shortcut. So once you click on that, uh, you are ready to go. All things are set and it's in place. Maybe I click. Um, Go here. I forgot to click here. Create desktop shortcut. Okay. Now I have done that. Yeah. You can see this icon here. Just double click on that, and the system is up and running. Okay. So the installation is successful. You can see the you need not to change the date now. It is current date only. So that is the complete installation. Thank you all. We'll see you tomorrow for the actual sessions. Bye.